In the world of smartphones, there is a constant battle for supremacy. Today, we will witness a clash between two powerful contenders, the Rabbit R1 and Humane's AI Pin. Who will emerge as the ultimate smartphone killer? Let's start by understanding what sets these two devices apart. The Rabbit R1 is a smartphone that boasts of advanced artificial intelligence capabilities. It is equipped with a powerful processor and a high-resolution display, making it a force to be reckoned with. On the other hand, Humane's AI Pin takes a different approach. It focuses on providing a seamless user experience through its intuitive interface and smart features. With its sleek design and innovative technology, the AI Pin aims to revolutionize the way we interact with our smartphones. When it comes to performance, both devices have their strengths. The Rabbit R1 excels in multitasking and handling resource-intensive tasks effortlessly. Its AI capabilities allow it to adapt to the user's needs and provide personalized recommendations. Meanwhile, the AI Pin focuses on optimizing battery life and enhancing overall efficiency. It intelligently manages background processes and ensures that the device runs smoothly even during prolonged usage. In terms of camera capabilities, the Rabbit R1 shines with its high-quality lenses and advanced imaging algorithms. It captures stunning photos and videos, making it a favorite among photography enthusiasts. On the other hand, the AI Pin takes a different approach by leveraging its AI capabilities to enhance the camera experience. It intelligently adjusts settings and applies real-time filters to deliver impressive results. Both devices offer a range of features and functionalities that cater to different user preferences. Whether you prioritize performance, user experience, or camera capabilities, there is a smartphone that suits your needs. In conclusion, the battle between the Rabbit R1 and Humane's AI Pin is fierce. Both devices bring unique strengths to the table, making it difficult to declare a clear winner. Ultimately, it boils down to personal preference and the specific requirements of the user. If you want to stay updated on the latest advancements in AI technology and much more, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Like and share this video to spread the knowledge and power of AI tech science.